In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Android apps remotely. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, let's say you wanted to install something on, any of your devices like your phone, but you don't have your phone with you and you are like at a different location or on holiday or anything like that. Well, this is what you want to do. The first thing you want to do is open up your browser of choice. So for this instance, we're going to be using Google Chrome. And then from here, all you want to do is go to search and type in Play Store. Once you're here, it's going to say Android apps on Google Play. Then just click on that and then you can literally just choose whatever you want. So we're going to be doing AFK Arena, which is also as the new solo leveling collaboration. So once you press AFK Arena, you can either install it on Windows, which is an option, or you have to press install on more devices. Then once you press that, as long as you're logged in, it's going to recognize that you have, a different device. So this is a Samsung S25 Ultra, which is last used yesterday. Then all you have to do is press install right here. Once you press install, you just got to enter your password, and then it's going to be installing on your S25 Ultra or whatever device that you have.